Hello, Namaste, Annyonghaseyo Kpop fans. Welcome to our channel UNNie. Today's video is about JYP Always Open Global Online Audition to become a JYP trainee for being a K-pop idol, solo artist, Korean actor, actress or model. In today's video, I will tell you what is JYP Entertainment Company and its services, JYP Entertainment current artist and some interesting facts, audition qualifications, audition category, audition period, required attachment files, awards and benefits, audition procedure, how to apply in the audition venue and know what you need to write in the application, and results announcement. But before that, if you are new on our channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to know more about the upcoming K-pop audition informations and tips. You can also follow me on Instagram for my upcoming videos update and some more information that I am unable to share on YouTube. The ID link is in description box. Now, let's start our video. JYP Entertainment Corporation is a South Korean multinational entertainment and record label company founded in 1997 by a South Korean singer-songwriter Park Jin-young. Since 1997, JYP Entertainment faced many ups and downs, and now today it is one of the largest entertainment companies in South Korea, and it operates as a record label, talent agency, music production company, concert production company and a music publishing house. In addition, the company operates various subsidiary ventures and divisions worldwide. Its subsidiary companies are J-Tune Entertainment and Studio J. From years, JYP is getting fame in global music market for having such talented artists. JYP is much better than other top entertainments SM and YG because their treatment with idols and trainees is much better than these two companies. You know, one of the main reasons of JYP Entertainment's success is JY Park himself. He was one of the well-known singer and songwriter of his time. He attends many survival shows as judge and has a very friendly nature. That's why everyone like him. My one of favorite entertainment company is also JYP Entertainment because of JY Park, his treatment with idols and its training system. Of course, JYP is not an angel company, it also has some flaws, but its flaws are lesser than other top two companies SM and YG. Like other companies, JYP company also has hard training system and some bad trainers, but it also has many good things and flexibility in their company that makes me to like this company more than other top companies. Now let's know about JYP current artists. Park Jin-young, known as JYP, is a singer-songwriter, record producer, record executive, reality television show judge and founder of JYP Entertainment Company. Twice is 9 members girl group formed under the television program 16 and debuted in 2015. Twice girl group is one of the reasons of JYP company's success. itzy is a 5-member girl group under JYP Entertainment. They debuted in 2019. NiziU is a 9-member Japanese girl group under JYP Entertainment and Sony Music Entertainment. They were formed through the survival show Nizi Project. All members except Nina are Japanese. Nina is Japanese American, but you know she totally has American visuals. 2PM is 6 members boy band formed in 2008. The group took an official hiatus in July 2017 due to mandatory military service. Following the members' discharge, 2PM returned with their 7th studio album Must in June 2021. Bernard Park, also known as Nakjun, is a Korean singer born and raised in America. He is best known as the winning contestant of K-Pop Star Season 3. He made his official debut in 2014. Day 6 is 4 members pop rock band debuted in 2015. All of the Day 6 members are heavily involved in writing, composing and producing the band's music. Stray Kids Stray Kids is 8 members boy group debuted in 2018. Stray Kids was created through the survival program with the same name, Stray Kids. Boy Story. Boy Story is a 6-member boy group under Tencent Music Entertainment and JYP China. They debuted in 2018. Extinari Heroes. Extinari Heroes is a boy band under Studio J, sub-label of JYP Entertainment. The band currently consists 6 members. They debuted on 6 December 2021. NMIX. NMIX is a 7-member K-pop pre-debut girl group under JYP Entertainment. They are planned to debut in February 2022. Some interesting facts about JYP. No group member under JYP has their personal Instagram account. itzy member Ryujin was offered to join YG, but she decided to stay in JYP. She was casted by JYP in GOT7 fan meeting. During training, Twice member Momo's trainer told her to lose 7 kg weight in a week to debut in the group. And for that, she ate only ice cubes for a week to lose 7 kg weight. But she did not lose enough till the D-Day. So company gave her 3 more days to get perfect weight. And after her confirmation to debut in the group, she started eating everything that she wanted and gained her 7 kg again in 1 week. Out of other 3 companies, JYP is famous for getting less scandals. JYP Entertainment doesn't like scandals, and that's why they want their idols and trainees to follow the rules. As far as I know, I think JYP is the only company that provides sex education to their trainees. JYP is famous for giving chance to talents rather than looks. Once a trainee in JYP Entertainment shared that during monthly evaluations, trainees are not allowed to sing Korean songs at their monthly evaluation. Idols at the company aren't allowed to date for the first 3 years of their careers, as Park Jin-young believes that it could be a distraction. Now, let's know the details of this audition. Audition Qualifications. Any boy or girl of any age and from any country can apply in this audition. Audition Category. Choose as many categories as you want from vocal, rap, dance, acting or modeling. Audition Period. It is always open. It means you can apply in this audition at any time in any month or year, and you can apply as many times as you want, but only after 31 days of your form submission date. It means if you are applying today, then please apply again after 31 days with new audition video, pictures and improvement. Required attachment files. Attach total 3 pictures, left and right side half body picture and front full body picture. Pictures should be under 20 MB. Attach at least 1 video or 1 audio file, or you can also attach both audio and video. Video should be under 50 MB. Perform for minimum 1 minute and maximum 10 minutes. Avoid using filters, templates, editor and heavy makeup. Talent video or audio instructions. For vocal, K-pop, pop, etc. no limit in genre. Singing capacity based on breathing, pitch, rhythm, pronunciation and technique. For dance, self-choreographed dance, cover dance, hip-hop, b-boy, popping, locking, etc. No restrictions in genre. Flexibility, rhythmical sense, posture and dance steps, stage presence. For rap, cover song, self-written song, no restriction in genre. Technique based on clear diction and sense of rhythm. For acting, TV, stage and or film acting, no restrictions in genre. Vocalization, breath control, script and emotion delivery and stage manner. For model, walking and posing, ability to pose with your own style with confidence and originality. Awards and benefits. Final round winner will be offered an opportunity to participate in the special training system of JYP Entertainment. Audition Procedure. First round will be online round, and second round there will be Zoom 1-1 round, and in third round final audition and meeting in Korea. Please watch these 2 videos to know how company will contact you for second round, what will happen in Zoom 1-1 audition and what you need to prepare for your Zoom 1-1 audition. These videos links are in description box. How to apply. Open the audition application form link from description box, fill out the form, attach required files and submit your form. Now let's see the application process. First, open this form through the link in description box. From here, you can change its language. This is English website. Tap on apply button. This is for Korean and this one is for foreigners. Tap on this button, read these terms and conditions and scroll down. Tap here and tap on agree button. Here write your full name, write your email address, tap here, request for verification code. Now open your email or Gmail inbox and check whether you got this email or not. If you did not get this email, then check your spam box and also make sure that you have logged in same email address that you have written in the form. Now copy this code, come back to the form, paste code here, confirm it. Now make a password that must be at least 10 characters long with alphabet like ABCD, numbers like 1234 and special characters like #. For example, you can make password JYPENT@007 or China #112 etc. Make sure to remember this password, otherwise write your password somewhere to remember it. You will need this password when you will apply again next month with the same email ID. Here write same password that you have written here. Choose your nationality. Write your date of birth, year, month and date. Choose your gender. Write your height in centimeters and weight in kilograms. Select your country code. Write your contact number. Here write your social media name. And here write your ID or username. In these 3 columns, attach your 3 required pictures separately. Here you can attach your MP3 file, means audio, but this one has some problem from many months and it doesn't support our MP3 file. We are unable to attach any file here, so it's of no use to us. So we can just attach our talent video in this column. Here you can attach only one video, but if you want, so you can show many talents in just one video. Scroll down. Here write your self-introduction or experience in your talent or hobby or specialty etc. This one has word limit, maybe 100 or 150 words. With my dance video, I have attached my small introduction video. So here I will just tell them my hobbies and what I love to do. Here you need to express yourself. After completing it, tap on this apply button. Tap OK. And you have successfully applied for this audition. From this My Audition section, you can check your all previous audition forms. Just tap on it, write your name, email ID and password that you had written while registering in this website. Tap here, open your Gmail app. We got 2 emails. This one email is to tell you that you have successfully submitted your form. This one is for our code. Copy this. Paste here. Confirm. OK. These are my previous audition forms. Results announcement. First round passers will get this type of email within 3 to 4 weeks. This email means JYP Audition Evaluation Team has seen your application form, and if you will be selected, then you will get another email within another 3 weeks or earlier than this. That's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you a lot. If yes, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and support to our channel. I will meet you in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, love yourself and be happy.